GIGABYTE B550MK review. Is this micro ATX motherboard the best budget AMD build option? Looking for a budget-friendly motherboard for an AMD AM4 build? The GIGABYTE B550MK keeps things simple, but does it offer enough features to make it a smart buy? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The B550MK is a micro ATX motherboard using AMD's B550 chipset and AM4 socket. It supports Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, including compatible G-series chips, making it suitable for many affordable gaming and productivity builds. For memory, you get 4 DDR4 slots supporting up to 128 GB, with dual-channel support and XMP. Storage is also a strong point. There are 2 M2 slots, with the primary slot supporting PCIe 4.0 on compatible Ryzen processors, while the second runs at PCIe 3.0 x2. You also get 4 SATA ports. For graphics, there's a full-size PCIe X16 slot with PCIe 4.0 support on compatible Ryzen 3000 and 5000 CPUs. Connectivity includes 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Gigabit Ethernet, and 3 audio jacks. The board also features GIGABYTE's digital VRM design and smart fan technology, with temperature monitoring and fan control. Its compact micro ATX size makes it a good fit for smaller builds. But there are limitations. This is still a budget motherboard, so you don't get built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and expansion options are fairly basic. The second M2 slot is also limited to PCIe 3.0 x2, so it doesn't offer the same bandwidth as the primary slot. The biggest question is who should buy it. If you're building an affordable AM4 gaming PC, especially with a sensible Ryzen processor, this motherboard provides the essential features without unnecessary extras. But if you want premium connectivity, more expansion, or a motherboard designed around higher-end components, spending more on a better-equipped B550 board may be worthwhile. Overall, the B550MK is a straightforward budget option with 4 RAM slots, dual M2 storage, PCIe 4.0 support, and gigabit networking. It isn't the most feature-packed B550 motherboard, but for a cost-conscious AM4 build, it can make a lot of sense. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what product you'd like to see next.